Shalom, YouTube people. So, I need to clean this guy off so we have a base to work with. So let's just clean Gandalf off. Off. We got our clean canvas. So let's figure out how I would like to decorate this cat. Okay, so I got his cute little design done. Now I've got to do the base coat. Pumpkin pie. Smells like paint. I would have never guessed. I honestly don't need to paint where the eyes and stuff are, but I feel like I should. Okay, time for the beautiful body. There's the first coat. Now let's skip to having it completely painted. Okay, so I've got all the coats of orange on him. He just has to dry really quickly because he's still a tiny bit wet. Now I can sketch out his little face design. Stand up there, Avery. Now I have to do the white. For some reason there's blue inside of my white. I'll clean that off at some point. I don't feel like doing it right now though. So I got the white on his face done. Now I gotta do his ears, his feet, his neck fluff, and his tail. I'm going to finish all the coats on his ears, his chest, and his tail, and his feet. Okay, guys, so I went to the store with my mom and I saw this paint. Acrylic craft paint. I got black because I needed a new black because I'm running kind of low on my black that I usually use, which is a glossy black. But I want to see how this paint is and if it's worth the $1 that I spent on it. I'm just gonna use that little bit right there. Let's get the let's paint the nose, see how this paint does. I'm gonna need to do another coat of it. I'm gonna put this to the side. That's a pretty good black paint. Let it dry. Okay, now we gotta do the spots that I outlined with a pencil, or not outlined, sketched with a pencil. Now I will clean up anything with the base color and then finish painting the little nose. I don't mind my hands, my orange was all clogged up with paint. Do multiple layers. I think my phone's dying. Okay, so my phone is currently dying, so we're gonna do some dark lighting at the moment. Okay, so my phone kind of died last night, so yeah, but here's the finished results. I like how it turned out. His little eyes. I actually really like this paint. I got this paint at Dollar General. I was expecting it not to be that good because of how cheap it is. Though the apple barrel paints at Walmart used to be like 50 cents. Now they're like $2 for a bottle. Use a little bit of paint. My cats are in the background fighting. Oh, all I need to do is just seal him. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to kill you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Come back never. No, I'm just kidding. Please come back.